You see him? Come here. Hey. Hey, Sam. What you doing over there? I'm gonna go get your toy. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get your toy, okay? Be right back. Vic, for lunch, I want you to make some spaghetti, but I'm gonna go out and play with Sam because he's out there, so don't shut the door all the way because I'm going back out.
No problem, that's good.
Well, he's out there. He wants to play probably. I don't know what he wants. If he wants to play, I don't know what he wants. I'm gonna play with him because he probably wants to play. I don't know what he wants, but he probably wants to play. So what are you doing anyway? Just sitting there? How come you don't want to ever, do anything fun? How come you just want to sit there? Don't you ever want to do anything? I mean, that's just, kind of silly, And you sit there most of the time. Isn't like activities, more important and all? I mean, don't you want to do anything ever? I mean, it's just kind of, kind of crazy, don't you think? Just, sitting there and all. Don't you ever want to do anything? Because, I think you should do something like, hang out with people. Because then sitting there just kind of boring and all. Because I think it is. But if you choose to sit there, that's fine. Not a problem. Just trying to help, but if you want to sit there, that's great. I don't know what you want to do, but that's fine. If you want to do what you want to do, then that's fine. Just trying to be a help, but, it's fine what you're doing. Trying to get people to hang out and such, but if you want to do what you're doing, then that's fine. Doesn't hurt me. But I'm trying to get people to hang out, but it seems like I can't, so I try, but no success out of me, so I don't know what you guys want to do, but I'm gonna go outside now and have my fun time with Sam, so, it's okay if you don't want to hang out, but it's your choice. Try to get you guys to go in there, but it's like no success, so it's your choice what you want to do. But I try to encourage you, but seems like I'm no success, so I try though. Sam! No, you haven't seen him? Well, I saw him a little bit ago, but I don't know where he went. Saw him a bit ago. Sam! Look, it's your toy. Come on. Attack it. Come on, what are you waiting for? I see him, but I don't know if he'll attempt to attack it. Come here. Come here, Sam. He's attempting, but I don't know what he'll do now. Come here. Look. Come here. Look, it's your toy. Come here. He's attempting, but I don't know what he'll do. Yeah, he's looking at it, but I don't know what he's doing over there. Sam, over there. He's looking at it, but I don't know if he'll attempt to get it.
He's watching it.
Yeah, he's watching it, but there he goes. I don't know if he'll pounce on it, but he's attempting. Come on, Sam. Come on, I know you can get it. Oh, he's thinking about it. Over there. Sam. Come here, Sam. Oh, now he's tempting, I think. Come on, I know you can get it. Look, it's right there. Right in front of you.
Not so bright sometimes.
I know, cats can be that way. I don't know if he'll tempt now. Sam! Hey, over here.